How to enable YouTube data app saver feature. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply turn on the YouTube data saver feature. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you're going to do is open up the YouTube application on your mobile phone devices. Afterwards, this is kind of a screen which would pop up at the very start. So what you have to do is go into the profile options that is at the top right corner of your screen. When you just tap on it, this is a kind of a page that appears up. And this page you're going to the settings, which would be in the fourth last from the last. Once you tap on it, a new page would appear by the name of settings, in which you're going to go and look for the video quality preferences. That is at number third. Once you do that, there are basically two things: the video quality while using mobile networks and video quality while using Wi-Fi. That means it would adjust to give you the best experience for your conditions, but we would eventually go and select that data saver quality on both if we want to, else it is right if you do it on mobile networks. So this is how you do it. This is how you save, or this is how you change the video quality preference on YouTube. This is how you save your data. I hope this video was informative. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Till next time, peace.